Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we installed the Organization Management application, created a group, and attached a user to a group. We will continue our training by adding LDF functionality to the customer object, updating Customer LDF Data, and testing LDF access. To add location-based permissions, we will use LDF functionality alongside the group we created in the previous video. Let's click the Customer tab, and from the drop-down menu, select Object Definition. Click the Edit button and scroll down to the Object Attributes section. Select the Organization option. Let's scroll down and then click Save. OK, we will now update the customer data to assign a customer record to the APAC location. Return to the Classic Guitars main page, and we are back on the Customers tab. Select a user from the APAC region and click the Edit button. In the Organization section, use the lookup list to set the location value to APAC. Then click Save. We will now test the LDF access. Click your profile, and within the drop-down menu, select Logout. Now we will need to log in using the partner credentials we set up in a previous video. Once you are logged in, select the Customers tab. Notice that only customers with the APAC location assignment are shown. This is because the partner user belongs to the APAC group, which included the APAC location. Therefore, the partner user only has access to those customer records that were assigned to the APAC location. And finally, let's log out and sign back in again using our administrator account. And that's it for this video. We have added LDF functionality, updated Customer LDF Data, and tested LDF access. In the next video, we will add Portal Visitor functionality to the customer object and update Customer Portal login credentials. Thanks for watching.